These are the new BEAVA camera backpacks from iFootage with the medium pouch. Yes, this is a 35-liter version, and this is an outstandingly big 50-liter camera backpack. I'm your host Mauro, and let's get straight into this video. Just a small disclaimer, yes, I have been sent this backpack to make a review and understand all the features about them. The BEAVA 35mm iFootage backpack is actually quite similar to the 1MO2 35-liter variant from PGY, and actually it's resembling the same materials and styling. And then we have the 50-liter backpack. What they were thinking when designing this backpack, because when you fill it up in 35-liter backpack, it gets really heavy with all the gimbals, lenses and accessories to get going on a whole day of filming. When I fill up a 50-liter backpack, this will be weighing more than 30 kilos, and carrying around 30 kilos for a longer period of time, well, it's doable, but I don't recommend to actually carry it for a longer period of time. This is actually to fill up all your needs and actually go for a shorter walk or hike, and actually carrying it in your car or whatever you want to, carrying it until you actually just put it and use it as a storage facility. Well, let's look on how well is this backpack engineered with all the specs and features. So let's get straight firstly to the 50-liter variant. Okay, so the outer shell is made by a premium waterproof material that should hold pretty well the elements and scratches. There's a great designed waist strap and chest support, so you should be fine for your heavy duty work. The waist part has a useful pocket for your smaller items like smartphone. The stylish red padding will open and unzip, revealing your laptop compartment. My 16-inch Lenovo Legion 5 fits perfectly. And yes, there's also space for bigger tablets on the second slot. We have now opened it to reveal an interesting interior design that will comfortably fitting 2 camera bodies and 6 or 7 lenses minimal. And this part is also completely removable. If you want to use the backpack in a different way, on the top part we have a big compartment with large zipper. And in this part you can easily fit, let's say, a Mavic 3 Pro drone with 3 batteries and controller, no problem, or anything else that comes you in mind when going out for a shoot. You can actually use this backpack for different purposes, actually unzipping this pass-through and having a wide open large space. On the front part opening with the zipper, you will find a vast deep storage, mostly designed for your gimbal, with locking straps all over the place. 2 smaller or 1 large gimbal will fit perfectly inside, just like my Zion Crane 4 or actually an Zion Weebill 3S and an Hohem MT2. There is a slide-in part on the bottom part of the backpack, and I'm pretty sure you can put a monopod right through it. On the left side there is a deep tripod holding pocket with a strap to hold it tight. And on the other side there is an actual unzipping compartment, and yes, you can reach your camera from the side of the backpack. And yes, inside there is another zip compartment for your batteries and other accessories. Closing it off and fully packed, be aware that this can get really heavy and weighing more than 30 kilos in no time, filling up all your studio inside. Let's go now to the 35-liter variant. It has a similar design with the same black anti-scratch waterproof finish. This has a half zipping back for a laptop storage. And yes, my 16-inch laptop Legion 5 works and slides inside without any problems. There's also a tablet door too, and it will pretty much fit any tablet up to 11 or 12 inches. On the front side there is also an additional zipped pocket. Tripod slot on one side, and also just like the 50-liter, you have an open part to reach the interior of your backpack from the side to take out your camera. On the front part, just like with the bigger brother, you'll find your 3-axis gimbal storage. And yes, it's only the Zion Crane 4 without any problems. This backpack is also equipped with waist and chest straps, so you shall be pretty fine while carrying and having the weight distributed in your key parts of the body. Unzipping the middle section, we're opening the vast and large compartment you can store a dozen of lenses and accessories. And yes, you can fill it up with a lot of lenses, camera bodies or drones. And also, the complete interior is customizable for your liking. On the lid you'll find 2 deep zipped units to store minor stuff inside. The material that is made this backpack is called 300D twin nylon composite plus twin super dense waterproof lining. There are also 2 handles, one on the top and one on the side. Okay, so let's check now the BEAVA medium pouch. It will be great for storing all your smaller items like SD card, chargers, smartphones, audio gear, cables, and the list goes on. You can really organize all your stuff at your best. Same material build as the backpack. As the price range they are not yet released, but at the time of filming of this video, I presume that this will be kind of $249 and this will be around $300 to $312 or $20 US, with the pouch costing just about 40 to 15 USD. And yes, if you're in the league for a new camera backpack, this could be your iFootage BEAVA backpacks to consider. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, I will be happy to answer to all of them. Until my next one, thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe with the bell ring icon to get notified every time I make a new video, and see you on my next one.